in Milwaukee. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11:15 p.m. At 10:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Mills, moving southeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Johnson Creek, Palmyra, Lake Koshkonong, Lake Ripley, Rome, Milford, Hebron, Bussaville, and Helenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.